Hey hun, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki Nicole and this is the Nikki Nicole Way. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because you're gonna love it over here. I am actually running late as usual, but I'm honestly getting better because I don't like being late, but sometimes shit just happen and it just end up that way. So whatever. I got like 5 minutes to get down here before I'm late to my appointment. So I'm going to get my eyes checked. I need another order of contacts because apparently I'm out. I don't know why I waited till my last pair to even come. And then when I tried to call over the phone, they was like, ma'am, you due for an exam. You got to come in. So here I am on my way. Hey y'all. All right, so I just finished with my eye appointment. I was able to get some more contacts. She's gonna give me the regular contacts and then the one with the astigmatism because I have astigmatism in my left eye, so I don't see things as sharp as I should see them. And looking at a computer all day, you know, for my job, sometimes it makes the letters and everything kind of blurry, so I don't wear my contacts during the day. I normally just wear them on the weekend. All right, y'all, off of that, on to the next. Let's go get these errands done. I have a gift card for Target, so I'm gonna go use that, even though I don't really care for Target. I myself am a Wally girl. So we can use that one in the winter. It doesn't have to be the blue one that says like winter formula.
No, this is Rain-X. It's got Rain-X mixed in with it. So this works really good.
That's what I was looking at that one because it says all season,
right
2-in-1.
Yep.
Okay.
The other stuff
blue,
is cheaper, the blue stuff, but I love this stuff. It works.
I'm gonna get that because I was thinking that one too, but I was like, normally the stuff that I see is blue, so I was gonna get blue because.
And you can pour it right in. It doesn't matter with the blue. You can mix it with the blue.
Yeah, because I like that this say de-icer and it's a bug remover too.
And it's got Rain-X in it.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I wasn't too far off. I was thinking that. Okay, we are back at the house. I just gave my fur baby a treat. Put this stuff up and get ready to make dinner. Fried fish, spaghetti, salad, and garlic bread. I'm getting in a bad habit of ordering from TikTok. You know what I'm finding? A lot of stuff on the TikTok shop is cheaper than Amazon. And the sad part is I am easily influenced. Oh yeah, you know I'm about to take these right now. These ashwagandhas, I love these. They help me sleep for real. They really do. I just take 2 of them in the evening. They help me sleep. I like them. Sorry. Let me finish this. Okay, yeah, so the store didn't have any fresh catfish, so I had to get the frozen catfish. I do call this my suction cup. But yeah, time. I don't know why I always wait to the last minute, like the week or 2 before it's time for me to go like on vacation or take a trip somewhere. I'm like, ooh, let me try and get my waist slim. So that's something I'm going to try and work on. Get my fitness together. Not even lose a couple pounds. It's just to make me feel good, because honestly the stomach still be there, so I don't know. So this is the package I had got from TikTok. I got these lashes. These look pretty cute. And then this mobile phone LED light. Oh, I think this is the light for my phone. Oh yeah, it is like the other one. The one that I ordered from Amazon. Yeah, it goes something like this. But the only difference with my other one, I gotta find it. It's somewhere in the bag. It can either go sideways on the phone like this or the long way. But this one only goes this way. And it claps onto the phone. So that way I can get some better content. I connected my mic. Because when I just did the playback, I guess because it's so quiet in here, I have nothing on. No back noise. It sounds like an echo. Like real bad. So I'm trying to see if maybe I should start wearing the microphone. Okay, yeah, I'm trying it out. You know, I'm still in my figuring it out phase, so you got to bear with your girl. I'm about to play this back and see how it sounds. But I feel like the sound might be better with the microphone. So I might have to have my little pink furry with me. I'm good. How are you? Okay. Hey, hun. Good morning. Yeah, I woke up to snow. I know they were saying the other day that New York was supposed to get between like 10 and 20 inches of snow. And apparently, we got some of that snow. So what we're going to do is do our monthly reset. my dude is going to the Clarissa Shields fight tonight. So I'll have the house to myself, which is good. I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like to clean. Like, I need to clean when people are in the house. Because I don't like people in my way. You know, when I clean the area, I want nobody in that space.
Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, dum, dum.